At stage 5, Te Hopuawai reflects kaiako who are now integral to the kura's rhythm. They contribute consistently, lead confidently, and carry a deep understanding of your kura's kaupapa. Your role here is to support long-term growth and renewal. Invite kaiako to reflect on their aspirations, share their knowledge with others, and explore leadership, mentoring, or innovation. Keep conversations open about what sustains their passion, where they want to grow next, and how they see themselves shaping the future of your kura. Te Hopuawai is where induction shifts into ongoing professional learning. It's not the end, it's a continuation of the cycle, now powered by strong relationships, shared purpose, and clarity of contribution. Here, kaiako should be reviewing their personal development and set some goals for their future growth. This is a great time to look back on their own professional growth over the year and continue to participate in ongoing professional learning and development. What direction is your kaiako's practice going in? How do we build on their successes to keep the momentum going? Have them ask themselves the following questions. What have been some of the biggest events to happen that I did not expect on this journey? What are my long-term goals as a kaiako? How will I continue to grow and contribute to the kura? How have my feelings, hopes and challenges changed from the start of the year to this point? This final stage is about gathering what has been learned, recognizing their impact, and supporting that long-term well-being. By now, kaiako are more established and settled. Your leadership can now focus on sustaining their energy, strengthening their sense of belonging, and ensuring they feel well supported for the journey ahead. The Stage 5 checklist relates to ensuring that both staff and student well-being systems are clear, accessible, and embedded into kura life. Adapt as needed to reflect the services and initiatives unique to your kura. Just as water flows into rivers and returns to the sea, the kaiako becomes part of the wider current of the kura. They give and receive knowledge, helping to grow a culture of shared learning, purpose, and care.